This is the Nature in Our Hands project. We are the nature team and we have been gathering ideas about how to look after our local marsh. We had a special day where we explored the marsh and looked for exciting plants and animals. We called it the Spark Species Science Day.
There's been quite a lot less wildlife because it's decreased through the years.
We asked people what they love about the marsh and how we can enhance and protect it. People said the marsh is peaceful and full of wildlife. They want more footpaths, signs, bug hotels and places to learn outside. We've even shared our ideas with the Assistant Director for Education in East Sussex, change makers and new funders. The project has had a big impact.
Really fun because we get to go on the marsh and we get to learn about nature and how we can save it.
Without nature we wouldn't be here because we are nature.
I'm personally very proud of myself and I'm very excited to be going on it and doing more adventures in this.
Nature in Our Hands has really brought my vision for our school to life, and I can't wait to see how it becomes even greater as we move through the project.
We want to hear from Impetus project leaders about how you think we can make a bigger impact on policy and education.